Wake up, wake up. Oh no, oh no. Where did the rainbow go? Red ran off to paint an apple tree. Orange is giggling by the bumblebee. Yellow is hiding in the sunshine bright. Green is dancing with frogs in the light. Blue splashed into the ocean waves. Indigo is peeking in secret caves. Violet twirls in the lavender air. Rainbow colors hiding everywhere. Let's follow the clues, come on, let's see. Where could all those colors be? Step by step as the colors appear. Look, they're back, the rainbow's here. Shining big and bright in the sky above. A rainbow returns with magic and love. Mas Frina.